Very good morning, student. Today we start next chapter number 19, excretory product and their elimination. Now, what is excretion? Excretion is a physiological process in which elimination of the metabolic wastage from the body. This metabolic wastage product like amino acid, urea, uric acid, carbon dioxide, water and ammonia. There are some animals that excrete waste product from their body in the form of amino acids, and some excrete ammonia as a primary excretory product from their body. Those animals removing ammonia from their body, they are called ammoniotelism. Okay, and those animals excrete nitrogenous waste product, excrete ammonia from their body, they are called aminotelic. And those most of the amphibian and aquatic animals excrete this product by diffusion from their body. Like amphibian aquatic animals, they release their waste material into the water. These animals are called uricotelic. There are some mammals that release their nitrogenous waste product as a urea. Urea is a less toxic and completely less soluble in water, so these animals are called uricotelic. Okay, and there are some birds and reptiles also excrete their waste product from their body in the form of uric acid, so they are called uricotelic. Release uric acid, so they are called uricotelic. Okay, there are some excretory product released by different organisms. First organism is paramecium that excrete ammonia, and in paramecium have excretory organ that release ammonia, that are contractile vacuoles. Okay, now next organism is amoeba. In amoeba have excretory organ is a contractile vacuole that release ammonia. Okay, now third one is hydra. They also release ammonia from their body surface. Ascaris, they also release ammonia from their renate cells. Periplaneta is the scientific name of earthworm. They also release uric acid from their Malpighian tubules. Pelimons, they release excretory product is a uric acid from antennary glands. Ferritima is a cockroach, is the scientific name of cockroach. It's release ammonia from their nephridial system. Spider is releasing uric acid from their coxal gland. Taenia is the release ammonia from their protonephridia. Leucon, it release ammonia from their general body surface. Okay, these are different types of organs release their different excretory product from their body by different excretory organs. Okay, next is the excretory organ in human. You know very well that what is the excretory organ in human is the kidney. Excretory system made up of a pair of kidneys, pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. You already familiar with this system? Okay, now you know that kidney there are two pair of kidney are present in the left and right side of the spine near the liver. They are divided into the renal cortex, renal medulla, renal pelvis. Renal pelvis also carry from the kidney to the urethra. So the nephron is the basic structural and function unit of kidney. Okay, next part of this excretory system is ureter. Ureter is a thin tubes that comes out from the kidney and carry urine to the urinary bladder. Okay, urinary bladder, it is a sac-like structure that store urine until micturition, the process of urination or expelling urine from the body. Okay, urinary bladder is a sac, it is a storage tank that store the urine until micturition. Micturition is the process to pass on the urine from the body. Okay, so the process of urination or expelling urine from the body. Urethra, it is a tube like structure that extends from urinary bladder, and it helps in expelling the urine outside the body. It is usually shorter in female and larger in male. Okay, now next there are other organs in for excretion of this waste material present in different organ, like skin, you know, that is the largest organ of the human body. It contains some sweat gland to release sweat from the body. Okay, so they are also called sebaceous glands. Sweat gland produce sweat, and they contain NaCl, amino acid, water and glucose. So the sebaceous gland excrete excess fat such as stool and wax. Okay, next excretory organ is in lungs. You know that through lungs we exchange gases from the body. It facilitates the gases exchange. They help in inhaling oxygen and exhaling or eliminating carbon dioxide, water vapor from the body. Okay, so around 18 लीटर ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड पर आवर, एक घंटे में हम जो है अपनी बॉडी में से 18 लीटर जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है वो एक्सेल करते हैं, एलिमिनेट करते हैं. एंड 400 ml ऑफ वाटर पर डे इज एलिमिनेटेड फ्रॉम द body. 18 liter carbon dioxide and 400 ml water. Now next excretory organ is the salivary gland. Salivary glands are participate in the excretion of heavy metal such as lead and mercury. Okay, so next is the gastrointestinal tract and intestine. The intestines eliminate the nitrogenous waste in the form of feces. Through intestine we release the waste product in the form of feces. So salt, glucose, calcium, iron, fiber is also excreted through feces. So it is the general introduction of this chapter. Okay.